Today we're going to do some repairs on a circuit board. It has a slight problem with some of the connections. It's a special ACES. So right now we're washing it. We're power washing it using Mother Nature as our friend, not our enemy. And we're going to take this board and we're going to make it nice and compact and run faster at the same time. We'll clean the contacts on the bottom of the board too simultaneously as well we clean the top. By using hydraulic fluids, and we can steer the data in different directions. Now, you just take a look down there and see what I mean. That should about do her. I think those contacts are nice and clean now. A little bit of abrasive from the leftover down from the winter. And we're done. You've got to remember to move the vehicle off the board so you can get it out from the tire. There you have it. Extra parts too. The old lady could use these on her camera or something like that, and we're ready to roll.